Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Okay, so happy Independence Day. First of all, happy Independence Day. 75th Independence Day was celebrated. Okay, and I'm also going to make one of the very great announcement for all engineers and for all those who are studying mathematics, right? And they can be benefited from these sessions, okay? And they have to gather this information for them, right? And they have to keep in mind that from this YouTube channel everything will be taught, right? And everything would be in sequence, okay? So my target audiences would be the BTech first year students, second year, third year and fourth year, as well as droppers, okay, who are preparing for GATE and engineering services examination, right? So what is the main reason, okay, which is behind that mathematics is that why I'm launching this course is because this course is going to be very helpful for all the technical subjects to be understood, right? Any subjects you talk about, if you're from electronics and communication, if you're from electrical engineering, if you're from mechanical engineering, or if you're from civil engineers, okay, or computer science, or if you're doing BSc in maths or MSc in maths, right? So you would be definitely targeting your engineering exams such as GATE examination, right? Or IES examination, engineering services examination. So the weightage of the mathematics is huge, as well as it plays an important role, which help you to understand all the subjects, right? So the intersection of mathematics with all technical subjects would be used, right? So the common anything you talk about, if you talk about area under the curve, right? So mathematics is there. If you talk about probability, right, there is a mass. That probability is considered as area, when we talk about any density function or kind of a thing, right? So in this session basically I'm going to launch this mathematics course. It is one of the great news for you all, okay? Everything would be in sequence and all the topic would be covered, and there will not be any concepts which will confuse you. I'm not going to teach you something which is artificial. Everything like mathematician did, okay, we will try to understand those would be able to realize, right? And we need not to memorize anything, okay? So we have to go step by step. So in this session I'm just launching this course. uh, this course will be for all the branches, okay, all the branches, any branch you belong to, whether it is, I told you in the beginning itself, and if you're from any tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 college, any college you belong to, you can follow this course. Because in my case I have been across the country, right, and I have been all colleges in India. And what I found that people always, as student always ignore mathematics, and they always try to you know eat it, or you can say they try to digest mathematics at the end before 5 or 6 days of their examination, right? And they don't know that mathematics plays an important role. Why we face failure, right, in any technical examination which is related to engineering, right? The main reason is engineering mathematics, okay? So engineering mathematics will be taught. Already I have launched some courses on linear algebra. I will talking about vector space, null space, many more things I discussed, okay? So guys, you have to follow this course properly, right? So let me come back to our favorite board, okay? Hopefully my voice and the video is good, okay? From this live session I'm just launching. I'm not going to teach any content, okay? Already if you want to check the content, you can go through my playlist on linear algebra, okay? You will find the real test of mathematics. These sessions will allow you to think, okay? Think how and which step is going to be taken further, right? So there will not be any artificial thing. I'm not going to artifice any steps, right? Everything will be coming naturally, right? So let's get started, okay? So yes, So this is going to be my favorite board, and this is basically the engineering mathematics launch, right? So I'm just going to launch, right? So let's wait a minute. So guys, I'm just going to let you know that what are the topic I'm going to cover, right? What are the topic I'm going to cover, and how much depth we have to go, right? You don't have to go beyond, and the prerequisite, right? You are going to study engineering mathematics, okay? And semester students studies these subjects as M1 and M2, right? Engineering mathematics 1 and engineering mathematics 2, right? So the topic which I'm gonna cover is asked in different competitive examination, right? Such as GATE examination or IES examination or GATE, IIT JAM, okay? So for IIT JAM, they demand hell lot of mathematics, but for engineers, only they must know the basics, the fundamental to clear any, they would be able to understand any technical subjects, right? So if you're from electronics and communications, so you must be good at random variable, random process, and probabilities and all, right? So everything we will talk about. Let us favorite board is going to be this. Yes. So this is going to be our favorite board, and I'm going to launch here the engineering mathematics. Okay. Connection. So I'm going to talk about engineering mathematics here. Wait guys, let me check the connection first, then we will yes. Hopefully speed and everything is fine, right? So we are going to start with the first topic, okay? And I'm going to outline the topics only, okay, which is going to be giving you the right flavor, the exact flavor, how to start and how to get started with mathematics, okay? So things which we will take care of is here. You can see this board is not working well, so there is a delay, right? Okay, so guys, I will be talking about the very first thing that must be the prerequisite for this subject, right? So you have to revise your class 6 to class 12th mathematics, which is completely basics in nature, okay? That basics, okay, you must know before you get into engineering mathematics, right? So you have to keep in mind these things. You have to keep in mind these things, okay?